MLBroadcast.com. Global exposure. Local results.
Panoramic views of the Hill Country and River Place Country Club can be seen throughout this custom home, sitting on 0.39 acres. Outdoor features include a fabulous negative edge pool with spa and fountain, multiple covered and uncovered entertaining areas, and plenty of additional yard space. Designed with family living in mind, this home offers large living areas and bedrooms, front and back staircases, plus quality and attention to detail. Stone flooring, cased windows, solid core doors, and designer touches throughout add to the distinction of this fine property. Whether entertaining family and friends or settling in for a cozy evening, this home has it all, while being located just minutes from exemplary schools as well as both Lake Travis and Lake Austin.